Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice square problem, and here I can solve this question by using the important identity. And first I will introduce this identity, and you know that if we have a square minus b square is equal to a minus b times of a plus b. Okay, now I can use this formula to solve this expression, so that here you see that this is the 7000 square minus this is the 6999 square. So now we can assume this is the value of a and this is the value of b, so that according to this formula we will obtain this expression in this form: 7000 minus 6999 into 7000 plus 6999. Okay, after that when we will subtract these values 7000 by 6999, so we will get here 1, and here we add 7000 plus 6999, so we can add these numbers in this way: 6999. Okay, so 0 plus 9 is 9, 0 plus 9 is 9, 0 plus 9 is 9, and 7 plus 6 is 13, so that this expression will become 1 times of 13,999. So when it is multiplied by this one, so we will get here 13,999, and this is the our final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more exciting videos.